Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a June favorites video for you guys. I don't really have quite a lot just because once again this month has been really hectic for me, so I haven't really been using a lot of different stuff to really try out, and my makeup lately has been very minimal, but I decided to show you guys some of the items that I've been using in my previous makeup videos that I've been filming for you guys, because in those videos I didn't really do any sort of talk through or really show you what products I was using, but I think you guys could tell that I was using, like, there were very repetitive products in those videos. So before I jump into this favorites video, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you aren't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button down below. It will help me out so much. If you do enjoy favorites video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also so you don't miss any upcoming uploads from me, be sure to hit that notification bell down below. So I think I'm first going to start off with some beauty stuff, and then we'll get into more of the random stuff. So the first item I've been using as my first step in all my makeup videos recently is the Olehenriksen, I think that's how you pronounce it, Banana Bright Eye Cream, and this is just an under eye cream. For my under eyes, I haven't really noticed a difference, but I noticed a difference with this when I put on makeup. So this really helps my concealer to really stick and stay on all day, and it's so smoothing, and it does have like some sort of like flecks of, well, I don't know, it's just like a yellow color, so I guess it kind of helps to like color correct under my eyes. But I've really been loving this when I put my makeup on because it just really helps it stick underneath my eyes and also helps to prevent creasing. It was a little bit expensive for my liking. It was $35, probably isn't a lot to other people, but I think it was worth it. So I got mine from Sephora. Definitely check it out if you're looking for an under eye cream that really helps with your makeup application, because this one works really well. The next item is a primer that I've been using lately that you guys also see me use quite a lot, and this is the E.L.F Hydrating Face Primer. They have many different kind of primers from E.L.F. They have color correcting ones, they have glowy ones, they have mattifying ones, but this one seems to be my favorite as of yet. This really helps to hydrate your skin yet still keeping it sort of like matte and poreless at the same time. It helps to fill in your pores, at least that's what I feel like it does, but it really helps to hydrate your skin as well, but not making it too oily or anything, and it really does help my makeup to last all day. I do notice it keeps like my foundation intact, and it just really, I don't know, it gives that sort of glowy look to it, even though I'm sweating a little bit extra today because it's 99 degrees outside. But this is really great. It's about $6 from drugstores or Target or even an E.L.F store or their website. I got mine from Target, really awesome, definitely check it out. The next two products I've been using in conjunction with each other, which you guys probably see me use so many times, and the first one is this E.L.F Under Eye Setting Powder, I believe, and this is in the shade Share. I believe they only have one shade. It's very tiny, but I use this all over my face, and it's lasted me for a really long time. I think this is a little bit old. I had this for a year already, so hopefully it's not expired. But I did just stock up on a new one, so I'm good to go, but I still have some left in here and it's been working just fine. But this really helps from setting my face. Like, as soon as I put it on, it lasts for at least almost the entire day, making my skin super matte, especially in the summertime. It's not too cakey, it's just enough powder and finely milled that it just keeps my makeup not too oily, because I do have combination skin, so I do get oily in my T-zone, as you can kind of tell. But this just really helps, and especially underneath my eyes, helps my concealer stay on all day, also in conjunction with that under eye cream. And the brush that I've been using that you guys can see me use is this BH Cosmetics 137 brush, and it just looks like this. It's just this sort of like wide flat brush, just kind of like slanted, so it gets really great underneath the eyes. I just sort of like press it in, and I even use it all over my skin when I'm applying the powder. But this I believe I got in like the sets that they have for BH Cosmetics. I believe it was like in the phase 1 or phase 2, if that's what they're called, but by itself they probably sell it on their website and it's really inexpensive. And this plus that E.L.F powder just works so great together. This next product I've had for quite a while as well, but I just rediscovered it in my makeup collection, and I've also been using this just in the inner tear ducts of my eyes just to brighten it up. And this is the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in Wisp, and it's just this sort of like taupey shimmery color, like really light color, and I just really like the shade of it, especially my skin tone. It just really makes it look like my skin tone, but just dewy. Like, it's not adding any gold or anything, like it's actually like my skin tone color. And this I believe was about $6. I don't know if they still have the shade on the website. I believe they should. I think it's a part of their original collection. But it's just so nice for the summertime, just to brighten up your eyes, and I don't know, I just really like it. The next product is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit in medium. As you can tell, I've used mine quite a lot because it's very dirty, but the main colors I've been using have been these 3 shades right here. So this light yellow, this medium beige color, and this darker brown, which isn't really dark brown anymore because I've been mixing these 2 together. And I've been using those 2 kind of as like an all over foundation when I don't want to wear a heavy foundation. And the good thing about this is, since it is a cream contour palette, it's meant to blend out really easily and not be too heavy or full coverage. And that's kind of what I'm going for the summertime. Not having too much coverage on my face, letting my skin kind of breathe. So I'll use those 2 colors all over my face, and then I'll use these 2 colors underneath my eyes, and it just really helps to brighten up underneath my eyes. And this is such a great palette. I definitely recommend it. They do have a deep one and a light one, I believe, but of course I got the medium because my skin is medium. And the last beauty item that I have is this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette Contour. This I've also had for quite a while, but it just comes with like this yellow banana color and this contour that you can tell I hit pan on and been using quite a lot. I've been using the contour kind of as like a bronzer. You can't really tell, my camera doesn't really pick it up, but it's the best like matte bronzing color that I found. Even though it's a contour, I don't like to use it as contour because it's a little bit too warm as a contour, and I like mine's more a little bit gray, but it still works really well. It matches my forehead because, as you can tell, my forehead is darker than the rest of my skin or the rest of my face. So it kind of helps to mimic that skin tone onto my cheeks to make everything blend together. And this was also probably really inexpensive. I'm not sure if they make it anymore, but if they do, I would definitely let you guys know. But it was probably around $5, really affordable. So I've really been loving this. It's an all over bronzer, and it's just no shimmer, nothing, just a straight matte bronzer. The next item is a pair of sunglasses I've been loving, and these pair, I don't remember where I got them from. I believe they're from Urban Outfitters, most likely. They were about $16, and I just love the retro looks in them. Like, they're so clean cut and very wide. They're very similar to those really thin black sunglasses that a lot of girls have been wearing, but I can't wear that because I kind of have a big head, so it doesn't really look right on me. But these were sort of a better option for me, and I don't know, they're just really, I just think they really fit my face really well. Like, I really like them. Like, I like this cut right here that they have, and it's just really cool. I don't know, but if you have a big head like me, I would definitely go for sunglasses like this because it really works to help complement my face better and not make it appear wider or anything, because it's already wide, so it kind of makes my face look like smaller. But I definitely like sunglasses like these. They're very retro looking, and they're really cool for the summertime if you want to be a little bit edgy. And the next and last item that I'm going to share is a pair of flats or sandals, I guess you would call them, that I got from Primark about a year ago, and I just rediscovered my love for them. They're a little bit dirty, so I won't show you that much, but these are them. As you can see, it's kind of gross because I've been wearing them non-stop, but they're just sort of like these white and silver sandals, kind of like a Greek style shoe. Don't mind the swatches on my hand. I was swatching some new makeup products. I'll probably show you guys soon. But I just really like these. They're super comfortable, and the best thing about them is that they were only about like $6, which is a steal. So definitely, if you have a Primark near you or anything, definitely check them out because they have really affordable shoes. And I even have a pair in black, but I love these ones way more. I lied, I have one more product to share. It's not this specific one, but I just brought a new pack. But I've been loving no-show socks because I've been wearing a lot of sneakers lately and a lot of flats. And usually flats really hurt the back of my foot and give me blisters, but I don't want to wear full-on socks with them. So these no-slip no-show socks are the best things to wear because you can't see them at all, yet they still make your feet really, really comfortable. And these ones I just got from Target, and they were only about $7, and I got 4 pairs, which I think is great. I preferably like white ones for the summertime, just in case they do show. I feel like black kind of looks weird with shoes because I usually wear like lighter shoes in the summer. But yeah, I definitely like these. So if you feel like a lot of flats really hurt your feet, or even sneakers, definitely go for these no-show ones, especially for the summertime. So those are all the products and physical things that I have to show you guys, but I do want to share 2 TV shows with you guys. The first one is Queer Eye for the Straight Guy, I believe that's the name of it. It's a new set of guys on there. I know it used to come out years ago on TLC, I believe, or Bravo, one of those sort of channels, but it's a completely new set of guys, about 5 of them, and they basically go and help people. Like, they have a guy that caters to food, they have one that helps with culture, they have one that helps with outfits, one that helps with home, and one that helps with grooming. So it's kind of like helping these people change their lifestyle to make themselves feel better, and it gets really emotional, but then it's really funny, and I really, really like it. You can find it on Netflix, so if you have Netflix, definitely check it out because it's a really great show. So that's the only show that I've been loving, that I realize that's the only thing I've been watching besides like YouTube videos. But I do have a favorite music artist / album that I've been loving, and that is Tom Misch. And I can't remember the name of his album. The name of his album is Geography. I just searched on my Spotify. But I have 2 favorite songs from his album, and that is It Runs Through Me, which is amazing. I just love the musical part to that song. The music is so beautiful and just soothing and relaxing. And also Movie, which is one of his more famous ones. And that is just so sad, but it's such a great love song, and like so retro and old feeling. It's just so good. And if you guys ever seen the YouTube channel Tiny Desk, it's like Sessions or something, I'm not sure. He actually performed on that recently, and when he did It Runs Right Through Me, like, it was so beautiful. Like, his voice sounds exactly the same as it sounds on his album, which I was like, wow, he's really, really great. So if you're into more of a relaxing, soothing sort of R&B feel, but more like jazzy in there feeling, I don't know how to describe him, just definitely check him out and add him to every single playlist because he's so great. So that is all the favorites that I have to share with you guys. I know it was quite small and not too exciting, but hopefully the month of July will be a little bit better. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, once again, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!